Here we are on the W Hotel rooftop. How to make test pizza. Mr. Chris Kimball, camera. Really legend. Let's square on there. Let's get that nice and covered.
Did you flubber for it?
That's good.
Straps all nice here. Nice.
That was risky.
That was risky. It's so windy up here. It's like 20 mile an hour. Is it 20 mile an hour?
Yes.
So there's no lying. The basil here is holding on for dear life.
It's an extreme pizza making.
See Tony was like, oh, and he's like,
I like it.
I don't know how it ever ends up.
There we are. Right.
That's an amazing shot, by the way, with Arthur's scene in the background.
We're ready to put it out.
Wow. Yeah, that's amazing.